Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to delete folder in Telegram. Firstly guys, you need to go and open on your left upper side by clicking on the three dots icon, and then you should go for the settings tab, and after that just you need to scroll down and looking for the settings options, and on the sixth option you have folders. Go click on it, and then here as you can see on the bottom side you have the folders that you have been created in your past second. Now if you want to delete this folder, what you need to do is just type on your right side beside the video editor, as you can see, the name of the folder, and then here as you can see you have two options for editing and for deleting. Go on the second selection, clicking by delete. Go delete again. And now guys, as you can see, we have deleted a folder in Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.